didn't mention pin tires. Is it good? Or the people are those cheaters? I was impressed.
Yeah, for that money. Yeah, that's what's in here. This is a SE 18, the FOC technology.
It's just so cool, smooth looking. Took the stock ESC out of the red cat and put in a 1080. I wish I would have done that before I spent the money on the brushes, because that's all I really needed.
Yeah,
Because,
and it costs about the same now.
well, they still got.
I didn't think about it till you said.
It's in the truck. Hang it. Oh well. Take whatever pictures you want to see, and I'll just send them to her.
My biggest problem was hold out.
I like to keep that tire.
Oh, right.
I guess you need to wedge that pretty good.
Kind of landmines out this time. How you like it so hard?
Glad I got it on camera because I didn't see it.
Damn, wish I brought my beer.
Oh man, yeah. I ain't picky about those RC cars. I got 8 of them in my damn truck. I got a 3-year-old grandson.
That truck come with the light on the top of it?
Nope, I put that on there too.
I like that. It's nice touch.
Hey, thanks. The truck got, I'm not exaggeration, about 20 miles of hiking and crawling, mostly hiking. I need to redo all the link ends.
It wore out?
Yeah, it just wore out. I should have.